Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to overclock a Raspberry Pi 3. Now, if you decide to do this, obviously you're doing this at your own risk. We are not responsible for any damage this may cause. This is mainly to prove that it can be overclocked, but it should also work. So, this is very simple to do. It's not too hard. We're going to run a command here one time just to show what we are currently running at. So once you're logged into your Pi, we can do a ls cpu. And as you can see here, we want to concentrate on the max CPU, and we're at 1200 megahertz. So what we are going to do is we're going to get into the boot config file. So to do that, we'll just type in sudo nano /boot. If I put the other one there, it'll finish. Then config.txt. Now, as you can see, a lot of this is already hashed out, because I'm not running overscan or nothing like that. So we can just let all this go where it's at. We can just not really worry about that stuff. So we could just come down here and we're going to paste in the following. So the GPU will be at 500, then the CPU will be at 1300. So what we're going to do is do a Control X, Y, enter to save. Then we're just going to do a simple reboot. Then I'll just pause this until I'm back in. Alright, so we are back. So as you can see, I'm logged back in here and did another ls cpu. And right now the max is at 1300 megahertz. And if we scroll up from the previous, we were at 1200. So hopefully that helps out. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another one. I'll throw a link in the description to my website for this information. So, alright, thanks.